G'day DIYers, I'm just sussing out the best place to put the toilet roll holder. Ooh, there's some instructions. Ooh, chuck them away. Do they have instructions how to get into it? Here we go. Now I'll tell you what. Okay, they've supplied an Allen key. Cool! You know the worst thing, have you ever come across a toilet roll holder put round the back here like that? You know, in my lifetime I've come across it a couple of times. The toilet roll holder has been at the back here, eh? And you're going, what the is going on here? You know, incredible. I reckon that would be the place. Just like that. So it's out of the road, but it's in front of you. Look at that. Down there, no, you can hit it with your knee. That's no good. Up out of the road there like that, right. Decision has been made. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll just sort myself out with my drill and that. I never used these little drills before DIYs. I try and stay away from all this stuff, towel rails, toilet roll holders and vanities. But these people asked me, and they're nice people, and you know, I couldn't say no. I'm charging them for it, but you know, I try to stay away. But anyway, well, it sort of seems to be working. Sort of, you. Bit of pressure. This is only cheap. It's a cheap but that sounded like it was a go. That'll be the shot. That'll do the trick. Now for one more. I have a spare one though. If this anyway, right, the way I started it before was very slow and hold it on an angle like you do with all your other hole saw DIY. So go slow. And get started. With you going slow, if you run off like I have 2 or 3 times now, you're not going to mark your tile. That got a little bit hot on the finger, so, but we've sort of got a little bit of a start. Don't be too boisterous, just take it easy. Porcelain's a pain in the arse to drill, eh? But I'm getting a bit of a start there, so that's cool. I'll try a bit of water now and a little bit of pressure. It's smoking up. No, just a bit of dust. It's looking like the ticket. So there's no good picking up your toilet paper off the floor. Yeah, a little bit of a wiggle was the ticket. Woo-hoo! That's it. I'm wrapped with that, because now I can bash in my what are these called now? Raw plug. Bash it in there. I'll go and get my hammer. Well, that's good. That'll be like that. Everything's always so sort of cheap and nasty. But Houston, we have touchdown. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, see you soon. I told you, this is just the beginning. See ya. Okay, so I've got my hammer. We'll bash in these raw plugs. I like the way it's going. I'll tell you now, how many times do you go in a place, in a house, and the towel rail or the towel rail or soap holder or toilet roll holder is all sort of hanging off because it hasn't been done properly. This is happening and it's getting done properly. So then you wind up your little whatnots with your Phillips I mean with your, what's that, Allen key. Like so. Fiddly, eh? Jeez, Wayne. Oh, come on. Oh, fiddly. I'm going to get something better than that, I tell you. Hang on, and I know I have, out in my van. I've been rummaging around in my briefcase in my van that I have for special little tools. This I've had, oh God, I don't know how long I've had it. A year or two, and I've hardly ever used it. But this is all your fiddly Allen key tips, and lo and behold, look at this. Now that, there's always something better, and that's one of them, rather than that stupid little bloody Allen key. Whooshka, I like it. Now, you slap your toilet roll holder on that, you could use it as a footrest. So I'll keep it out. I'll keep it out because I'll be doing the, I think she brings some home tonight. I don't know whether it's a towel rail or 2 hooks, don't know. But with that, that's perfect. Sit on the loo. There's your toilet paper there. Give it a thumbs up, people. Press the subscribe button. Love you.